What's up with it? It's your boy Dope Versache, Dope TV, coming at you with another video. Unboxing, unpackaging, whatever you want to call it. I'll call it an unboxing. Show you Eazy. Now, I just copped this. I was gonna cop some more, but just copped this for right now. There will be more Eazy unboxing. Oh shit! And this was 10 bucks, but like 20 bucks, like 18 bucks shipped. We got a sticker. Geezy.com, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Tumblr. Made in California, an original Eazy since 1989. That's crazy, that's my birthday year, 1989. Show you what it is. This shit's sick. Eazy bandana. Feel me? This shit's sick. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. More motherfucking unboxings coming from Eazy. Some more Eazy gear. You already know. I'm a Eazy fan. That nigga dope. Got Civil on right now. Got my brand on. MSA. Feel me? Like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy Dope Versache, Dope TV.